This seems like a quiet spot, doesn't it? So let's continue from where we left off earlier. What I was trying to tell you guys was that why do people prefer music over noise? Have you ever thought about it? Well, we find it that way because the music that we hear is soothing to our ears. But why do you think that is so?
So, according to Mayer, what music does is that it sets up sonic patterns and regularities that tempt us to make unconscious predictions about what's going to happen next. If the brain is right, it releases a chemical called dopamine. Dopamine is a chemical which has its key role in setting good moods in human beings. The constant dance between expectation and the outcome thus enlivens the brain with a pleasurable play of emotions. But what is the root of this cause? As we have discussed, it's the sonic patterns and the regularities. Don't you think this reminds us of something which is very, very close to our heart? So let's put on our thinking caps and explore and understand the physics behind music.
As you can see, the waveforms show a specific pattern which can be noticed. Based on the strings and the time interval at which they are plucked, you get a pattern which is periodic in nature and can be defined by Fourier analysis. This is a waveform produced by harmonica. So as we have seen, for different music produced by different instruments, the core quality that remains constant is periodicity. That's what defines the shape of musical sound. Here we can even observe the attack transient in the start. Look at the waveforms. Even here we have periodicity. This is what we call noise. It's a random mixture of all the frequencies without any periodicity or definite pattern. We can never predict what type of waveform we will get next.
Music is periodic in nature.
But noise is not.
Music is ordered sound.
Whereas noise is disordered sound.
The component frequencies of music are discrete and rational with a discernible dominant frequency.
But the component frequencies of noise are continuous and random with no discernible dominant frequency.
Music is composed of sounds having a fundamental frequency and overtone.
Noise, on the other hand, consists of sounds with frequencies ranging from audible to inaudible with unequal intensities.
Music can be described mathematically using Fourier analysis.
Noise is described by a spectral power distribution.
So, thanks to physics, we can now easily differentiate between music and noise, and I hope from now you'll enjoy listening to music even more. Thank you.